The myth about filmmaking, which keeps most beginner filmmakers stuck, isn't gears. Watch this first, then I will explain.
Congratulations, you're moving to the next level. Your next opponent is
So what you just saw right now was shot with this 15-year-old camcorder from Sony, which is Sony TCR SX45E. This is a VGA camera. This is not even 1 megapixel. Also, this doesn't have any manual control. You cannot change ISO, shutter speed or aperture. It shoots at auto. So my question to you guys is, if I can shoot a film with this, which is not even an HD camera, then why can't you shoot a film with your phone, which is at least 12 megapixel nowadays with manual control? So I hope now you understand my message, that it is not about gears, it is about your intent towards filmmaking. Happy filmmaking, keep creating.